Hey, spring's coming and you need new blades. Today I'm going to show you how to measure your lawnmower blade so you can order the correct one. You're out there, you need some new mower blades. We have a lot of people that call us and always order blades but don't quite know how to actually measure the blades. I'm going to show you a few tips that you can use that allow you to order some other blades too. You can take your measurements. Then you can also look at maybe like a gator blade or a mulching blade and not just the standard mower blade that comes with your machine. The biggest issue that we always see when people call us and they say they've measured their blade is they tend to measure the blade from end to end like this. When you measure the blade like that, that's not correct. What you want to do is measure it corner to corner, just like your TV. So we go corner to corner, and that's a true measure of your blade. So that'd be 18 3/4. That's the most important measurement of the mower blade. Once you get that blade, the second measurement is going to be the center hole. Most mower blades, there's only two major center holes now. It's either going to be a 5/8 or a 15/16. Obviously, there's your 15/16. There's your 5/8. We measure that just edge to edge, and that'll give you that measurement. The third most important measurement that you have on your mower blades is the width. You can go right across. This blade right here is going to be 2.5 inches. Most blades would be about 2.5 inches if you're a commercial blade. If you're a homeowner blade, you're probably about 2. And then some of the G3, G5, and G6 gator blades, those are 3 inches wide. The width of the blade doesn't matter so much as long as you're close. Now, when I say that, what I mean is you can take a 2-inch wide blade and order a 2.25-inch blade, and you'll probably be fine. You won't hit. If you order a 3-inch blade and you need a 2-inch blade, it's going to hit. It's too wide. The blades will actually kind of come in contact with each other. So those are the major measurements that you need. You know, the biggest thing is remember, measure corner to corner, and that'll make sure you get the right blade.